What's going on, guys? It's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today we're going to show you how to fix a common household problem. Gas log sets are awesome because it's a nice big open fireplace. If you have something like this, it's no doubt attractive, but one of the biggest problems that you get with gas logs is you get all this black sooting, which is unattractive. So today we're going to show you how to get rid of the sooting. So we have this Rutland gas log soot remover. I haven't tried it before, so I'm kind of curious to see how it works. What you want to do is you want to get your gas logs nice and hot before you apply this. So we've had this on for about 15 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to spray it. So let's shut it off and give it a spray. So you just spray it on the affected areas. You can see it's hot. All right, so we sprayed it. Now let's fire it back up. There's no need to wait for it to dry, so you're good to fire it up right away. So probably takes a couple times to try it. You can see some of it flaking off. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but definitely see some pieces starting to fall off. Definitely made a difference even just spraying it without even turning it on, but you can see it's starting to burn off a little bit. But let's shut it off, give it a couple more tries here. Definitely seems like it's more effective right away, like when it's super hot. It's real hot. All right, let's turn it back on.
There you go.
So you see some flakes going up? See those? You can see them. They're burning off and going up the flue. Okay, so that was just a couple times through. You can try it as much as you like, but you can see it's definitely more effective when the logs are super hot. Even just doing an initial spray, it would just sort of almost like blow it right off, and then as you turn the logs on, you can still see some pieces going up the chimney here. Definitely looks a lot better, and all you have to do is spray it. So it's super easy to do. Let your logs get hot, turn them off, spray them. You just want to do it some more, repeat that a couple times. If you're interested in this product, click a link in the description below. You can order this and get it going for your fireplace. So that's just a simple little trick we use, and worked pretty good. I was pretty impressed with it. So like I said, that's our biggest complaint with our selling gas logs is them sooting up, even though they look very attractive. Super simple and easy. All you have to do is spray it. You don't have to touch them. You don't have to get a brush out. You just spray them and it cleans itself off. So if you have a gas log set and you hate all the sooting, check this out. Make sure you get some. There's a link in the description below where you can purchase this. Order some of this up. I'd keep a couple bottles at home. Super simple, just clean to your liking. Repeat it as much as you want. Thanks so much for checking out this video.